everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So today we are gonna do this look. I am like so happy the way it turned out, especially the glitter liner, the glitter kind of like cut crease. I have did it once, just like roaming around, and haven't did it like really making a video. So I just thought, okay, let's make a video, let's try on camera that is it like, can I do it, can I just make. And I wanted to play with orange because orange is not one of my favorite colors, but yeah, orange pops. And for this summer slash monsoon, because it's hot out here, I'm sweating still, the fan is on but still I'm sweating, and that is like kind of monsoon, kind of, I don't know what this Mausam is called, but yeah, kind of monsoon and summer mix. So that's why I just use the orange color. If you are looking for something like that natural makeup, and girls don't wear makeup because boys have that stereotype, whatever, then please click off the video, because this is a makeup channel and I do every kind of makeup. I try every kind of makeup because I am a very new person. I am very new in actually makeup. So I did try different stuff, and if you just want to spread some hate, please don't comment on that. Please don't like my video. Please don't watch it, because I have seen a lot of videos where people do comment shit, and I am not gonna take shit, because already the world is suffering through a lot. Your hatred is not required. I was triggered with something very different. So enough of the point. I'm gonna be doing this look on my face, and I have used all the products. So guys, I will be telling you this time that what I have used, and after that the whole video will be only music. I won't be like telling you that how to blend, and you are all so good. So I have started with this orange color in the shade. I have made you see in the palette shade number 2 palette, bite size palette. I told you about that. And after that I completed it with this color. I blended it in my crease with this color, and after that I took in the outer crease, I took the shade Hey Babe from this palette, from SFR palette, and I just want to use a lot of shades. So I went back to like Fantasy palette, and I used the white color. This is very pigmented. And after that I have used the shade is not given in the palette, and the second palette, this orange color, to like outline my crease. And this is so pigmented. I have a full on video on this. This is for $70. So enough for the $70. I hope you all like the video. If you like the content I do, I know I'm not being consistent. Like past 1 or 2 weeks I have like taken a time back in Raksha Bandhan and all that, spending time with my family. I'm back every week. One video will be available to you on, hopefully on Friday. I hope Friday is the time. So guys, if you like the content, please consider subscribing. That will give me the boost. I have repeated it times and times and times. So enough of that. Let's get on to the video. was fast forward, you can say in voiceover or something I do. I guess I can. So guys, this is the final look. I'm in love. Like, this is a little wonky than this, I know that, but I like it. I personally am like, okay, these lashes are, look, I like it. I'm like, I do give charm. Like, my hair is so bad. Okay, enough. So I really like it. I was thinking of doing an orange look from a long time. I did a blue one, a red one. I didn't really want to do orange. And if you are asking what's on my lips, this is Biotic lipstick. I bought it from like Flipkart, and this is in the shade Soul Cherry. Soul Cherry. Soul. Oh really? So this is like bright orange. So I've just dabbed it a little bit. You have seen that. So this was the shade I used, and I used all the colors. Like, let me tell you the colors, because I don't think I would be. Maybe I would have voiceover. I'm not sure, but still, I have used the bite size eyeshadow. You can see the review of that. I show you that I started with the orange color, then a little peach color was there, and then I went into my SFR palette and I used the dark rusty color. Let me see what its name is. I don't remember what it is. So black. Its name is Hey Babe. Oh my, Hey Babe. I'm so cringy. Fine. So, and after that I used the fantasy palette, and I have used the shade, there's no name of the shade, but this white one, this is very pigmented. Like, for being a white, this is real nice. And then I have used, okay, don't kill me for that, but I have used paint color. I use that to draw a butterfly on my face. If you haven't seen that, you can see and follow me on my Instagram. At the end of the video, you can see all the handles out there. So this was in orangey red. It's like orangey red, and I really like it. It's like a little bit, I don't want it to show a lot, so it's a little bit, but I really like it. And other than, you have seen all the products that I use, like LA Girl and all that, these were on my favorites. So this was all for today. I am trying, okay guys, I am trying कि every week में एक वीडियो हो that would be uploaded on Friday itself. हर फ्राइडे को I would just upload a video. I'm not sure about the schedule, but I would try my level best to upload every week a video. That is because right now I don't think 2 videos a week would be available, because look, I'm trying, okay. I hope you all like it. I hope you all enjoyed it. And if you wanna see the personal side of me, you can follow me on my Instagram. That's the only handle I use personally. So I hope you all enjoyed it. I hope you all like it, and I will see you in the next video. And yes guys, for being a true YouTuber, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's completely free, and that would give me a boost of confidence just to make new videos like these looks and everything. So okay, enough of that. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care, and just stay well.